Hi friends, welcome to Pixie Pantry. If you're new here, be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to receive notifications of my new and upcoming videos. Also, do like the video if you find my recipe interesting. So, let's get started. Today, we'll be making a perfect dish suitable for breakfast, lunch or dinner. Avalakki Bisibelebath. To a pressure cooker, I'm adding half cup tur dal and about quarter cup masoor dal. Wash it thoroughly for about 2 to 3 times until the water is clear. Add about 3 cups of water. I'm grating fresh turmeric, but you can add turmeric powder. I've homegrown these turmeric. Add a tablespoon of oil. Add 1 medium carrot peeled and chopped. Quarter cup peas. I've used frozen, but you can use fresh if available. Half cup French beans. Close and cook for 3 to 4 whistles. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Also, please like and share the video. You can keep the cooker aside once the whistles are done. To a heated pan, add 2.5 spoons of homemade ghee. Add mustard once the ghee is hot. I've added about 1 spoon of mustard. Add half a spoon of asafoetida. Add 10 to 12 curry leaves. Add 1 big onions chopped. Saute well. Add 1 cup finely chopped cabbage. Add 1 medium-sized chopped bell pepper once the cabbage is cooked. Now add 1 medium tomato. Mix well and keep it aside once it's done. The pressure has gone. Now I'm going to open the cooker. Dal and veggies have cooked well. Mix the fried veggies to the dal. I'm adding 1 cup diluted tamarind pulp to make it extra tangy. I had soaked this about half an hour before. Add salt as per your taste. I generally use rock salt. Add 2.5 spoons of Bisibelebath powder. Bisibelebath powder is easily available in the market anywhere. Now I'm adding 1.5 cup washed and soaked thick poha. I had soaked this for about half an hour. Mix it well. Add chopped coriander. Add water to adjust the consistency as per your choice. You like it liquidy, you can add more water. You like it thick, you can add less water. But make sure that it doesn't get burnt. Place the lid and cook for about 8 to 10 minutes on medium to low flame. Do not close the lid completely. We do not want the pressure to build up again. You'll have to keep checking so it doesn't get burnt every now and then. I'm transferring some of it onto a serving bowl so you can have a look at the amazing Avalakki Bisibelebath. Let's make Raita for the Avalakki Bisibelebath now. I'm adding about 1.5 cup curd in a bowl. Add salt as per your taste. Whisk it with a whisk or a fork. Add some finely chopped onion, some tomatoes, and finely chopped cucumber, and of course the coriander. Combine everything well. Let's transfer some of it into a bowl. So we have our Raita ready and our Bisibelebath also is ready. Do try the recipe. Let me know in the comments below if you gave it a try. Your likes, shares and subscribes are what keeps encouraging me to upload more new videos. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.